Dr. Brad Hannon here with another one of my Met Foundations of Health videos where I am teaching you how to move right, eat right, and think right. In this video, I'll be discussing the basics of digestion. A rule I have for starting in nutrition is get the good in, get the bad out, make sure you're digesting it, and give it time. We are what we absorb and utilize, not just what we eat. Digestion is the mechanical and enzymatic process to break down food into small particles. Your digestive system is about 30 feet long and technically is outside the body. The digestive system is the first line of defense for your immune system. Do you know where digestion begins? It begins with your thoughts. Have you ever thought about food and salivated? Your five senses are definitely a part of that. The sight, the smell, the taste, the sound, the touch, texture. This is why food manufacturers have teams of people and scientists working on what they call craveability. How does food smell? What does it look like? What color is it? Digestion requires the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the feed, pee, and breathe. So we need to relax, take a deep breath in before we eat. Food enters the body in the mouth. Here's where one of the first problems starts. Many people chomp, chomp, swallow. Nobody's chewing anymore. I encourage you to try to chew your food 30 times. Turn it into a nice paste. The saliva in your mouth contains digestive enzymes that really help you digest carbohydrates. The food moves down to the stomach where pH is critical. Hydrochloric acid breaks down food, particularly proteins, minerals, and things like B12. It kills bad bugs. So now you can see why acid neutralizers and blockers stop the digestive process. They increase your risk of nutritional deficiencies and even poor brain function. Remember, hydrochloric acid decreases with age. From the stomach, the food, now called chyme, travels into the intestine, but it's so acidic, the body recognizes this and causes the pancreas and the gallbladder to secrete their digestive enzymes and juices. Think of bile salts from the liver as soap. It's kind of hard to wash dishes without soap. Bile salts emulsify fat, breaking that down, which is why people with their gallbladder removed can have such digestive issues, not to mention low fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Things that are good for your liver and gallbladder, things like liver meat, beets, milk thistle, dandelion, artichoke. These are all great digestive aids. Next, things move into the intestines for more digestive enzymes and bacteria to help break things down further until they are small enough particles to pass into the bloodstream. But the intestines is another location for common issues like gut dysbiosis, SIBO, yeast, fungus, parasites, leaky gut, food allergies. So the take-home message is don't take your digestion for granted. It is essential to being healthy. Remember, when you want to feel your best, think MET. How are you moving? How are you eating? And how are you thinking? This can steer you in the right direction to achieve a healthier you.